Did you know that thousands of everyday Africans are making real money from their phones using nothing but social media? No office, no startup capital, just their data and some consistency. And guess what? You can start today. Let me show you exactly how. Welcome back to Financial Freedom Hub, your go-to channel for practical money tips that actually work here in Africa. Today's video is all about real, step-by-step ways ordinary people across the continent are turning social media into a money-making machine. No big following, no fancy camera, just your smartphone, your brain, and a little consistency. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Facebook, the people's platform. With over 250 million users in Africa alone, Facebook is the biggest marketplace of attention right now. Here's how to make money. Start a Facebook page or personal brand profile. Pick a theme, like local fashion, herbal remedies, farming tips, or Christian inspiration. Post daily reels, relatable stories, and local content. Once your page grows, you can earn from Facebook Reels bonuses, sell your own products or services, drop affiliate links from platforms like Jumia or Amazon. Tip: always drop your WhatsApp number in posts to drive sales. Number 2. Instagram, your visual business card. Instagram is exploding in Africa, especially among young entrepreneurs. Want to stand out? Post high-quality photos and short reels. Teach something or entertain in your niche, like African food, comedy, fitness, or beauty tips. Collaborate with other small creators. Once you hit 2K to 3K followers, you can get sponsored posts, sell digital downloads like recipe books or fashion guides, offer paid shoutouts. Number 3. TikTok, the viral highway. TikTok is the fastest way to grow an audience in 2025. Here's how. Post 1 to 3 short videos per day with trending music. Keep it simple. Funny local skits, quick money tips, motivational content, or farming hacks. Go live once you hit 1,000 followers and earn via virtual gifts. Pitch local brands or link products in your bio. Many TikTokers in Africa now earn $100, $500 a month just from live gifts and brand deals. 4. YouTube, long-term money machine. YouTube pays in real dollars via AdSense, and it's perfect for deeper content. Start with tutorials, faith messages, business tips, farming, or how-to content. Record on your phone in daylight. Post weekly with strong titles and thumbnails. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts paying you monthly. Plus, you can add affiliate links, sell your own course or product, offer consulting. Number 5. WhatsApp, the underrated goldmine. Everyone in Africa uses WhatsApp, but most don't monetize it. Use WhatsApp Business app to add a catalog and welcome message. Build a list by offering something free, like a devotional, checklist, or mini guide. Then sell physical products, paid access to daily coaching, micro courses for 10 to 50 Ghana cedis. Tip: promote your WhatsApp link on Facebook and Instagram for free traffic. Number 6. LinkedIn, for professionals. Got a skill like writing, accounting, tech, or design? LinkedIn is perfect for getting remote jobs, landing freelance gigs, offering coaching or premium templates. Post weekly tips, highlight your work, and reach out directly to companies or NGOs. Final words. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a small business owner, social media can become your income stream if you stay consistent and focused. You don't need thousands of followers, just one platform, one niche, and one step at a time. If you learned something today, hit that like button and subscribe for more Africa-focused financial freedom tips. Let us know in the comments, which platform are you going to start with? See you in the next video.